YouTube, what's up? It's the anonymous sneakerhead. I'm back with another sneaker unboxing and review. I got something that I'm really excited about to show y'all today. Now that all that's out of the way, let's get into today's video. Alright man, so y'all saw the intro. You saw that the intro was upside down. There's a reason why I did that. Recently Nike came out with the, I forgot exactly what they called it. It's a Stranger Things collab and they called it the upside down though. So I think, let me grab the box right here so you can see what it is. Boom, as you can see the box, we have the big Nike logo on the front. Same thing on the side, same thing over here. Now the box gets a little different when you look at the ends of the box right here. I don't know if you can see this. And it says Stranger Things right there. Same thing on this side, and right down here it says, what does it say? Stranger, oop, is that the right side? Nope, that's the wrong side. Right here it says 1985 Stranger Things. So there it is, boom. As you can see, personal pair, size 12. The official name of the shoe is Classic Cortez QS UD. Official colorway is Sail, Deep Royal Blue, Sail, Royal Blue. Oh, that's another language. We're not gonna worry about that. But anyways, man, this is a shoe that I'm really excited to get into. I just took it out of the box. I got it from the Sneakers app 2 days ago. Got it in today. Let's open it up and see what we have. Awesome. So, all right, guys. So yeah, just so you know, I'm a big fan of the show Stranger Things. Season 3 just came out July 4th. Obviously, I watched it. So there may be some spoilers in this video. Obviously, I'm not a TV show reviewer, so I'm sorry if there's any spoilers. But anyways, as you open the box, you get, if you watch season 3, the blueprint. It looks like what was the blueprint for the Starcourt Mall, which, once again, spoiler alert, was a big part of season 3. But I think this is awesome. I'm definitely gonna save this box. I just noticed looking back, when you open the box, you get the Nike Stranger Things logo in here, so that's dope. I don't even know if I'm gonna put this in the drop first, just because of the presentation it comes with. But yeah, you get the Starcourt Mall blueprint paper. So I'm gonna unwrap that. You get some regular white paper, and then I'm gonna grab the shoe. Boom, here it is. So at first glance, it's nothing special. It's a off-white or a Sail Nike Cortez classic shoe. You've seen hundreds upon hundreds of different colorways and reviews, so I'm not gonna get into too much of reviewing the actual silhouette of the shoe. But they did add a lot of awesome details to make this the Stranger Things shoe. The first thing is that we get here, okay, awesome, we get another set of laces. I did not know they came with another set of laces. So we get black laces, that's dope. I might end up switching those out later once I do something with the shoe, as I'll show you guys later in the shoe. And then let me see if I could get this out. Alright, so spoilers coming. Spoiler alerts for the show. All that fun stuff. I hate that sound, it's glued in. I'll attach a picture of what the midsole looks like, but it has basically the machine that the Russians were using in the show to dig into the upside down. In the insole, you could kind of see it. I'm not sure if I could really get in there. I'll attach a picture of it to the screen. But the dope thing is, under the sole right here, they have the Russian code that, once again, spoiler alert, big part of season 3, the Russian code that they had the D code. And this is the, what shoe is this? The left shoe. So boom, I'm gonna put that back down. I just hate ripping out insoles. And now if I grab the right shoe, if I'm correct. Yeah, so before I even get into that tag, let me just look at this. Give me a second. Alright, so here we go. If I grab the right shoe, you can see the actual decoding of what was decoding from the Russian. It was in the other one. So I'll read it to you. Once again, spoiler alert, this is from the show, but it says, "The week is long, the silver cat feeds when blue and yellow meet in the west. A trip to China sounds nice if you tread lightly." So it's awesome that they put that little detail in the shoe, because, once again, you know the show, decoding it, they use the Starcourt blueprint, which is the tissue paper in there, so you can look at the blueprint of the Starcourt Mall and figure out exactly where they needed to go. Also, it comes with this dope pin situation, so it has this little tag right here, Stranger Things tag, and then I just noticed on the back it has these 3 buttons, so all 3 of these are removable. I guess this is more like a bookmark, and you can put these pins on whatever coats, hats, whatever you want. I'm gonna see what I end up doing with that. I'm also noticing one thing that I like in this Cortez, they put the exposed foam on the inside, which is an awesome touch if you ask me. I really like the exposed foam. They do it on off-whites. A lot of different shoes that they try to beef up. Now, I know what all of you guys are waiting for. You're waiting for me to mention it. So I'm gonna do that right now. The most notable detail of this shoe is that this shoe can change its appearance. And what do I mean by change its appearance? If you get a match, which I may do in a later follow-up video, the fire alarms in the building I'm in are very sensitive, so I don't want to do that. But I'm definitely thinking about doing it on the back. Anyways, if you take a match or any type of flame to this shoe, the shoe is made to burn away and release a denim upper underneath. So I'll attach a picture of what that looks like. So yeah, that's dope. You can burn away the outside of the shoe and make it look completely different, similar to one of my favorite Nike SBs, the year, what is it called? The year of the black sheep or whatever, where you wear it over time and the color changes, or like the Chicago to LA's or LA to Chicago's, whatever they are. You wear them over time, the color changes. Except for these, it'll stay the same unless you set them on fire, which, because of what the show is and how the show works, getting into the underground, I think that's a really clever way of adding some Stranger Things detailing to the shoe. So all of that being said, man, you guys saw all the detailing. Let me just make sure I showed you the pins that it comes with. So the insole of this one, right here, once again, spoiler alert, Susie, do you copy? That's Dustin calling his girl Susie. Go watch the show, figure out what happened. I showed you, pull the insole out, what it says, Stranger Things right down in there. Like I said, I attached pictures of what the whole insole looks like. But now that you guys got to see that, I'm going to give you a quick on foot, and then I'll be back to finish up the video. Alright, y'all, so that's the on foot. I already know what you guys are saying. Why are you wearing mid-calf socks with a Cortez? Or why are you not wearing long pants at least? It looks stupid with mid-calf socks. All my mid-calf socks are dirty right now. Deal with me. I gotta do laundry. I just wanted to get the on foot in for you guys. I'm filming this video really quick. Anyways, moving on. There are a couple more details that I forgot to point out. One of which is that if you lift up the back of the tongue right here, see if you can read that. I don't know if you guys can read that. If you can't read it, I'll read it for you. If you lift up the back of the tongue, it says, "Caution, removing top layer may reveal an alternate universe." And so obviously, those of you that watch Stranger Things, and the alternate universe is what they call the upside down, which is where the shoe gets its name. And also, I took the paper out of the box, and it says the same message right here inside of the box. So overall presentation of this shoe, to me, 10 out of 10, because I love the show, and I love Nike Cortezes, even though this is only the second pair of Nike Cortezes I've ever bought before. So comparing it to the other pair of Nike Cortezes I have, I mean, it fits true to size. You guys know how they feel. They're really comfortable shoe. It's an everyday wear. Like I said, this is an everyday wear for me. And one other little detail that I'm excited about, right here on the back tab where it says Nike, I know that once, if you get the match to it and try to reveal the layer underneath it on this little back tab, it says Stranger Things, similar to how it says on the tongue. So I do definitely plan on burning this off just to see how it works. Burning it, I've never set a shoe on fire, especially not when it was supposed to be set on fire. So I want to see how that works. I'm probably gonna do, I don't know if I'll do a video of that. I might do a video on my Instagram for you guys just so you can see it happen. But I think that's how I'm gonna wear it, with this burnt off and Stranger Things revealed. Stay in touch for that. I'll let you guys know. Follow my Instagram, you'll figure all of that out. But yeah, guys, so that's the video, man. That's pretty much all I have to say about the Nike Cortez upside down. Like I said, they also did this in a tailwind and a blazer. The tailwind and the Cortez were on the sneakers app. I couldn't find where to get the blazer other than obviously like GoDaddy or StockX. But yeah, a shoe that I'm really excited about. Definitely gonna wear it a lot. I'm gonna wear it a lot just like this, and then once it starts to get beat up and look trash like this, then I'll burn the layer off and have the denim underneath, or the alternate universe. But thank y'all for watching the video, man. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and follow my Instagram at @Sneakerhead, and I'll see y'all at the next one.